Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je m'appelle Séverine. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. My name is Séverine. This podcast is dedicated to travelers. Be more than a tourist by listening to Speak French avec moi, your French coach. You can also find more contents by going on my YouTube channel, Speak French avec moi, or by going to my Facebook page, Speak French avec moi. Merci. First, I want to start by telling you a few things. So, first, I speak English, but I will speak French at one point, right? So, I want to tell you to just relax and chill. How about we take these few minutes we are spending together to just quiet down? So, please turn off your phone and your notifications. Sit in a quiet place. Maybe you have some headphones that you can grab. Just, sit in an armchair. Maybe you're lying on your bed. Be somewhere where you can relax and listen to what I am about to teach you, right? Because if you want to speak French and you want to speak a foreign language, the first is really to prepare yourself, right? So, what I want to do first is to warm up. I like to warm up because we're going to use sound that you might not have in your language, right? So let's start to just slow down, turn off everything, and let's do a few exercises together. Are you ready? All right. So first, we're going to warm up our vocal cord, right? It's very important that you pay attention and you practice. And before we do a session, always practice and warm up your voice. So first, we're going to take a big zh sound. So put your hands here like this, or like this, all right? And then you will feel your cords vibrating. Yes, start again. Can you feel it? All right, let's do it again. Then we're just going to relax our mouth and we're going to blow bubbles or blow strawberries or baby sound, Okay, let's do it together. Are you ready? Good. Yeah, that's right. Okay, we're not going to warm up too much because, we just want to take it easy and want to enjoy this time. But if you feel like you need more time, take your time, all right? Now, I just want to make sure that you have a glass of water with you. You can take a little sip of water because we're going to spend about 10 minutes together. So I just want you to relax. We're going to learn the days of the week. Yes, the days of the week. So I'm going to speak very, very slowly and I'm going to spell every word and I'm going to help you pronounce them. Yes, that's the start, right? So let's start. I'm about to speak French now, okay? D'abord, on va commencer avec lundi. Lundi. Yes, lundi. It's the L sound. L. Lundi. And it's spelled Lundi. 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 Now, the sound is a little complicated. In French, we call it a semi-vowel. Listen to me. Lundi. Yes. So to make the sound stretch your lips and you put the tongue in the back. And that should play. And the tongue is in the bottom. It's called semi-vowel because it will go through your nose. The air is going through your nose. Lundi. lundi, right? So keep your lips stretched. L sound, lundi. And I in French is always I. I. Can you make that sound? I. Yes. Good. So let's try again. Lundi. And lundi is Monday. Great. Let's start. Maintenant, mardi. 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 M-A-R-D-I. Mardi. Ma, M sound, and then you have a R. R. I know R is a little difficult, and I will have a video about the R sound that will be dedicated to it. So, but if you can just try, you should feel it here. I know you might not have it in your language, and I'm really sorry if it's hard, but we'll practice some more. So make sure to take a sip of water because the R sound is a little hard on the throat. R, R. It's not on the palate, it's here. R, 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 R. Mardi. Good. Maintenant, Wednesday is mercredi. That's a hard one. Let's listen to me. Mercredi. 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 So we have 3 syllables. Mercredi. M-E-R makes mer, mer. And then you got the sound cre, because a C in front of R is always K. So cre, cre, cre. This one, I know, it's a little difficult. So you want to start with the K sound, K, and then all the R, cr, cr, cr. So you should feel it here. The tongue is in the bottom, cr, cr, and all the way in the back. Doesn't touch the front and the teeth. Sorry. I'm just sure you don't want your tongue to touch your feet. I'm sorry about that. So, cr, cr, mercredi. Yes, and it's spelled M-E-R-C-R-E-D-I. Mercredi. Mercredi. Good. Now, let's go ahead and let's do Thursday. Do you guess how to say Thursday in French? Jeudi. Jeudi. This one is easy to say. And it's spelled J-E-U-U-D-D-I. J-E-U-U-D-I. Jeudi. Jeudi. Parfait. It means Thursday. Now, vendredi. Vendredi. V-E-N-D-R-E-D-I. V-E-N-D-R-E-D-I. Vendredi. Vent is very difficult because you got en. En is what we call a semi-vowel. Do you remember lundi as a semi-vowel? Vent is another one, and that's the word en. To make en, you want to open your mouth wide. En. Right. And your tongue is all the way in the back. En. And it's the bottom. En. Good. Mouth is open wide. En. Vendredi. Dre. Again, we have the R here, and R is all the way down in your throat. Dre. With the D. Vendredi. Parfait. Maintenant, samedi. Yeah, it is Saturday. So now listen to me. Samedi. Most French will say samedi, but it's spelled S-A-M-D-I. S-E-D-I. Samedi. Samedi. So, why? Because in French, we call it ellipse. We often drop the E when E is between two consonants. Now, we have a whole rule about it, and that's not the purpose about this video. But I will post a video where I will explain in details when do you pronounce the E and when you don't pronounce the E. For instance, listen to my name. My name is spelled Séverine, but actually most people say Séverine. So we have a rule for it, and that's the same with samedi. It is spelled S-A-M-E-D-I, but we pronounce samedi. So you want to drop the E together, right? So let's try samedi. Samedi. S-A-M-E-D-I. And that's for Saturday. That's it. We're almost done with the 7 days of the week. Les 7 jours de la semaine. Et maintenant, dimanche. Dimanche. Sunday. Dimanche. Dimanche. It's spelled D-I-M-A-N-C-H-E. Dimanche. Now, pay attention. D is easy. And when we have mon, en is a semi-vowel. It's the same. Do you remember? Yes, let's practice that again. En. Mouth is open wide. En. And you want your tongue to be all the way in the bottom, okay, of your mouth and all the way in the back. En. Good. En. Right? Your mouth is open. Dimanche. Sh. The sound sh in French is spelled C-H-E, right? C-H-E in French make the sound sh. Dimanche. Merci et à la prochaine. You can also find more contents by going on my YouTube channel, Speak French avec moi, or by going to my Facebook page, Speak French avec moi. Merci.